Look at Lawson. Lawson making his bid up the inside. That's brave. My goodness, Liam Lawson really trying to attack Shotsumoy into the chicane. Oh my goodness, we've had a big shunt of the 130R. Big shunt, big shunt. Let's see who it was that went through. Oh, now this is a moment on the inside from Rensata. Oh my goodness. That is a big one. That is a big one. That's the worst kind of accident you're ever going to see at 130R.
Yeah, red flags are out. The live pictures are a little bit behind what we can see in this category and in Super GT as well over the past couple. Good piece of encouragement that Sasahara may be okay after this.
And now we've got pictures of the clear-up operation. Now that is actually a positive sign, because if it was particularly doom and gloom as a situation, then we wouldn't be focusing on it. So I'm hoping that that means then that the car, which you can see, which is on its side for Ukyo Sasahara,
climbing out of the car, and usually they don't show these kind of replays unless the driver involved is safe as well. So I'd say that's a good moment, a good piece of encouragement that Sasahara may be okay after this horrible crash.
Look at it. It's just ferocious, and you can actually see the engine and gearbox of Sasahara's car bouncing off the catch fence.
Sasahara in his green Tom's overalls, making the same walk very, very soon.
Well, it's the video game accident that you never really want to see in real life. And the fact that we see it on the way through 130R, it's obviously more concern now for the well-being of Ukyo Sasahara than it is about anything else. The driver's obviously now able to get out of the car.